Good evening, friends. I'm Dr. Atul Gupta. I'm a consultant physician at Fortis Shalimar Delhi and have my own clinic at Keshapuram, Delhi. I have a special interest in management of lifestyle diseases like hypertension, diabetes, thyroid, and obesity. Today, I will be discussing something about how to understand hypertension. As in a common language, hypertension is said to be a high BP. Normally, blood pressure is generated when the heart is pumped into the blood vessel by heart, leading to the generation of pressure. And this is called a blood pressure. But what is hypertension? Hypertension in common language is high BP. This means the systolic blood pressure, that is the higher blood pressure more than 140, and the lower or the diastolic blood pressure more than 90. So any person, male or female, who has a high BP, that is 140 by 90 or more, is hypertensive. And it becomes very essential that we discuss something about hypertension on the World Heart Day. Now, once a person is diagnosed as hypertension, what are the various measures he can take to take care of his blood pressure and control his blood pressure? First and most is important is the exercise. A regular physical exercise in any form, but preferably aerobic exercise, at least 30 minutes in most days of the week, at least 5 to 7 of the 7 days, that will suffice. This exercise may be in the form of brisk walk, swimming, or jogging, etc. This exercise will not only lead to the development of various factors in the body, which will lead to the reduction in body weight, but also strengthen his heart against the blood pressure. Secondly, diet. See, most of the Indian diet is very rich in fat and carbohydrates. So, a balanced nutritive diet, which is low in fat and carbohydrates, will help you in maintaining, and at times it has been seen, a fall of blood pressure of 11 millimeters of mercury is noticed. And you can go for the DASH diet. That is the dietary advice to stop hypertension. Basically, this diet is a whole grain diet with lots of fruits and green vegetables and low in fats and saturated fats. And this diet, the DASH diet, has definitely helped and played an important role in the management of hypertension. What about the sodium? Sodium is an inherent component of most of the foods we eat. So our tendency should be to go for the natural foods, because whenever we go for the added salts, this leads to the aggravation of the blood pressure in a hypertensive patients. So you can say 1 tablespoon, which is almost, you can say 2.5 to 3 grams of salt, is enough in a day. So you can either divide this tablespoon equally throughout the day, or avoid adding the further salts over the substitute you go. Also, whenever you go for buying the food products, always look at the sodium level and go for the low sodium level products. And what about the smoking? Smoking not only leads to the increase in the systolic, that is the higher blood pressure, but also weakens the heart and narrows the arteries. So quitting smoking would definitely play an important role in the management of hypertension. What about the medicines? See, certain medicines are prescribed for the control of blood pressure, and it becomes very essential that we adhere to the treatment given by a doctor to us. And not only we take this medicine regularly, but also keep the patients follow up with the doctor regularly. So adherence with the medicine and compliance with the treatment becomes very essential. So before I quit and conclude my talk, I would say hypertension is a silent killer on the, and on this World Heart Day. we make a promise, especially to get ourselves investigated with a baseline test, which is essential for diagnosis for the causes of hypertension. We can fix our birthday, and on every birthday, make it an annual routine to get this basic blood test for the control of blood pressure. And also, not only exercise, keep a good body mass index, go for regular exercise, take a low sodium intake. These all factors, alone or in totality, will help you for your control of blood pressure. So, on this World Heart Day, again, a safe heart, a healthy heart, and take care of your blood pressure. Thank you.